did the types of things that Mitt Romney did, signing the death warrants of little babies at $50 a pop, Pastor Manning, when he was governor of Massachusetts, 3 years after his supposed pro-life conversion, ushering in sodomy-based marriage to America. He is the founding father of sodomy-based marriage, and yet he's leading in today's Rasmussen poll in Ohio, or excuse me, nationally. Quit being afraid of the boogeyman, because Barack Hussein Obama, the long-legged Mac Daddy, there's nothing to be afraid of. The only thing that we should fear is God Almighty. We think that our book answers a lot of those questions. We won't get fooled again where the Christian right went wrong and how to make America right again, based on 3 years. Steve Deace and I interviewed Christian right and conservative leaders to take an honest inventory, an honest assessment. Why did we fail? And I think that I think that it will be very, very insightful.